Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to avoid copyright because it's time for Scuffle Boat.
This is the championship battle of the Scuffle Boat Championship. We got Irvin PP Suck Doman.
My humble beginnings in Scuffle Boat taught me a lot. It's been rough, it's been tough, but you know, after 37 years of training and 12 years of brute competition, I have willed myself and my family here.
Versus the greatest of all time, Christopher Thiem.
I'm the greatest of all time at Scuffle Boat. I'm the greatest of all time. I have never lost a single match of Scuffle Boat in my life.
Tyler, what's your thoughts about this matchup heading into it?
You know, Christopher, he's obviously the champion, so it's going to be a great performance out of him. And Irvin being the underdog, no one expected him to be here. He's playing with a chip on his shoulder, so we should see how this goes.
Looks like it's going to be a great matchup between the PP Suck and the greatest of all time.
But there's been a lot of people that helped me get here. All my professors, my family, God, you know, my town has stood behind me time after time, loss after loss, never giving up on me. So I just got to thank them. And in the Scuffle Boat Championship, I know Chris is one of the best, maybe the best to ever do it, but I think I got this. I know I can do this. We got this. Let's go, Elgin.
I will win this competition. I will win that $50,000. I will beat Irvin no matter what happens. I don't care what happens. I am going to win. If I cheat, I cheat. If I win, I win. I do not care. I am going to win because I am the greatest to ever do this.
Introducing the challenger, Irvin PP Sardoma. And now the champion, he is the greatest, Christopher Thiem.
You got it.
Let's go with F7.
Hit.
That's right.
You guys have to commentate.
Hit. First, 1-for-1, the underdog coming in clutch.
He knows where to place him here in the Scuffle Boat Championship, coming out here with the first strike.
Hits.
Man, they're both coming out here like two heavyweights slugging it out.
E7.
They're back to back. Irvin.
B5.
He's been prepared. He's been through so many challenges.
That
heading
is
into
a
this
hit
competition.
and a sink.
Oh, sinks the boat. First sink of the day.
Thank you.
J7.
Miss.
A miss?
Yep, miss.
What a crumble. I fucking skipped on.
Dumbass.
Irvin making
Playing
it
like the
critical.
underdog that he is.
Trying to fight from behind just makes forgot what the alphabet was real quick.
We'll go G3.
God!
Chris,
This is
if you're
terrible.
Mad here.
F4.
That is a miss, my friend.
Man, you don't see that frustration coming out
Yeah,
from
you
Chris
really
that
don't,
often.
especially being the champ.
Yeah, Chris is usually out here.
more calm than he is.
Let's go H3.
Yeah, he's usually calm and cool and collected when he's playing these games with
Miss.
Scuffle Boat. Real.
God!
Chris is
Come on.
mad now. He can't find any
Very
of Irvin's
frustrating.
boats.
Irvin is back on the board trying to find the game. This will not be fun until 5 G6.
sell me smoke.
You're cheating, Irvin. You're cheating.
Only with your wife, man.
Whoa, hey now, watch it.
Not playing the champion he is. Irvin, you want to
C10.
Let's go with G10.
G10, wow. Miss.
God,
Another miss coming out of Christopher. Not playing like the champion he is.
A10.
Shooting blanks out here in this
that's a
battle.
hit.
Let me take a
and
look
a,
real quick.
and a sink.
And the sink, underdog coming through. 3 boats down to 2. Christopher is starting to
Christopher
sweat.
has missed 15 consecutive shots in a row and has flipped me off as an announcer. I am so sorry for that.
Let's go A1.
Complete
A1.
frustration coming out.
Steak sauce, but yet again, another miss.
Another one. This is
God.
0 for 16.
Christopher getting close. Walk away, he needs a breather. Time out.
Chris,
He said in his promo he's gonna
Chris,
cheat.
shut up!
Christopher getting mad at the announcer.
D2.
I feel.
Fuck, that's a hit and a sink.
Oh, the
Fourth boat down. I feel like
Christopher is just down to 1 boat.
our TV station must found it funny to put us so close to the players here today so they could hear us while we
Let's
commentate
go
over the
with
game.
J4.
Christopher desperately
Miss.
needs a hit here.
That is 20 shots. The big 2-0 now for Chris.
Hey, man,
Unprecedented.
Shut up. Holy
I now
hell.
go.
B9 is a hit.
What is happening?
That he put it to the left, and it is B4.
Miss.
And this might be
Alright,
it for Chris now.
let's go with E9.
What boat is this? Is this your third boat now?
This is a ball game. I'm sorry, man. I tried to tell you from the beginning, but I believe B6, and you're
Yeah.
done, man.
Yep.
That
There
is
we
a
have it.
victory. Irvin
Christopher-
out of nowhere.
The underdog. Through the hole here.
He has ran the scuffle boat through here today.
Impressive performance by Irvin Dolman. You know, truly an incredible performance we saw today out of Irvin Dolman. You know, the underdog coming in here, facing the champ, 15-0 to Mayweather in battle champ. It is crazy.
Yeah, this Chris came into this game thinking that he had all the confidence in the world and that this is gonna be an easy victory. But Irvin knew he played his cards right. He knew what he was doing, and he came out here with the victory. Chris realistically choked out here because he knew he could have got the victory. Irvin has only had like a 50% win record on the year, but Chris choking out here.
Crazy. Oh, and he tackles me. Get off. That's my announcer.